Right, today we are reviewing a pair of binoculars. These little babies in here, hopefully, anyway. This is from Svbony and they are the SV27s. And they cost, at the time of making this video, around about £75 to £76. And as always, I will stick a link in the video's description for you to go and check it out. Couple of things to bear in mind. I didn't buy these were sent to me by Svbony. The other thing to bear in mind, these have a rangefinder built in, and I've never used a rangefinder before. And in this video, we're not going to be using the rangefinder. We're just going to see how good a quality these little babies are to start with. And if you're interested in the rangefinder side of things, let me know in the comments, and I will try and make another video on how to use it. Because I have no idea how to use a rangefinder. I've never used one in my life, and I nearly forgot to show you around the bag because I'm talking too much. So yeah, it comes in a nice little bag, has a little pocket there for anything else, and there was some batteries and they've just fallen out onto the floor. So make sure you check, see where the batteries are. But yeah, nice little bag, has a nice little handle to it as well. And also that, I'm guessing, is if you want to put a belt through it so you can wear it on your hip or something like that. So yeah, very nice. I will show you batteries in a minute. I'll get them out of the bag and stuff. Let's get these out. Move that out of the way. So it comes with a lens cleaner. Move that out of the way. Instructions. And looking at that, I would say multilingo, definitely. And a strap. And I'm guessing this strap is for the binoculars going in there. I will not be using that, but it's there. Eventually I will do. So quick look around. Get that off. Quick look around. They feel very nice actually. Yeah. Loads of adjustments. So if you've never used a pair of binoculars before, I did have a quick read of the instructions, and it says close your eye on that side, get this one in focus first, and then you can sort of focus out on that one. And Bob's your uncle and uncle's your Bob. Job done. So yeah, first impressions, very nice. Like I said, as a built-in rangefinder. How's that come off? Just pulls off. Oh, they're quite nice. They're quite nice because they hang down. So batteries. Batteries go in here. And why do you need a battery, you might be asking. So it takes two of these little batteries here. It says plus on top. That is the way you put them in. Because apparently has built-in compass. So it has a rangefinder and a built-in compass, which is really good. And it illuminates. So that's why you need the batteries, to illuminate inside so you can see the compass. Which I thought, oh, that's quite clever. Get that on. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out somewhere and see how good a quality they are. But looking at them, they look very nice. Let's just see if you can see through them. So, big lens first. Can you see that? I think you can, can't you? Not sure how good a quality that is. Now let's try the other end. Maybe not. What about that lens? Like I said, we'll have to play about a bit. But gives you an idea. Like I said, we will take it out and we will give it a proper test. So with that, before we go out, let me have a quick go. Oh yeah, it does illuminate. Oh, you can see the compass nice and clearly. Oh, that's really good. Quite impressed with that. Can you see that? I'm not sure if you can actually see the compass, but yeah. The one on the bottom is the compass. The one on the top's the rangefinder. So yeah, first impressions, really impressed. So with that, I'm going to take her out, do a bit of field testing, and then come back and tell you my final opinion of it. So let's go, baby. Right, so we gave her a proper test, and yeah, quite impressed. It's easy to see through, nice and clear to see exactly where you're looking in any direction. I like the fact it's got the compass because you can work out roughly what's north, what's south and what's west. Yeah, very good, very impressed, very professional. Does it get my thumbs up? Definitely gets my thumbs up, but does it get your thumbs up? Let me know in the comments if you like this pair of binoculars. Like I said, I will stick a link in the video description for you to go and check them out. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you any money, and it does help the channel to keep growing. Thank you very much for watching.